We're about to drop into what will either be the most insane or most miserable run of our lives. Good morning, everybody. We're in for another epic powder day. How lucky is it to get 2 powder days back to back? We actually have to check out of our condo and then we're gonna go ride. It is puking on me. As you can see, I got finished dusting this car off so we can actually load our luggage up. Then we're gonna hit the slopes. Hopefully we still find some fresh turns. It's gonna be an amazing day. This is nuts. How lucky are we? I mean, we're lucky to get 1 powder day. We're getting 2. Nothing like a little morning skate to get the blood pumping. I know where we need to go. Definitely need to stay close today. This is like that day me and Brandon went to the peak of Whistler and couldn't see.
Holy crap, dude. Get all the snow off my snowboard so I can buckle up.
I think this is the most snow I've ever seen.
Dude, this is thick.
This is like that Half Cab King video where you had to stay in the lane where that little kid. We're about to drop into what will either be the most insane or most miserable run of our lives.
White bird.
We'll stay close, not out of eyesight. I'm going switch. Woo! This is nuts! Holy cow! Woo! Absolutely nuts. Definitely too much work. I think we found out there is such a thing as too much powder. That was insane. Again. We can hit that.
Huh?
Teamwork. Your gloves are cracked.
What do you say? Go right?
Yeah.
I think that's no. You just gotta go down there.
We did it.
It was good.
This is the most insane snow ever! Woo! Gotta keep riding, Daniel. I'm okay with taking it slow though. Yeah, it's even better. Yeah. Woo-hoo. No. Oh. Obviously, it was a backflip. When the powder is this deep, you gotta get the board down below you. Way easier to do it on your stomach. Well, today we learned there is such a thing as too much powder. It's in the negatives. We don't know how negative. Everything's frozen. And it's been a blast, but absolutely exhausting. Making our way down to get a waffle, coffee, maybe hot chocolate. Might get a couple more laps in, we'll see. But it's been what dreams are made of. I hope the footage turned out. It's so the visibility is just, you can kind of see it behind me. It's absolutely just, you can't see. It's cold. Nothing like a great day of snowboarding. All right. Hiking out. So we knew it was cold. We didn't know exactly how cold. Turns out it was negative 30 degrees. So it's no wonder we were tired, freezing, and just completely exhausted. We kissed our beautiful condo goodbye. Again, if you are interested in coming to Winter Park, definitely check out the condo. I have it linked down in the comments and the description of this video. We got the car loaded up, grabbed some grub, and we hit the road and headed to Steamboat. Definitely subscribe and stay tuned so you don't miss the rest of this epic Colorado adventure.